Ontario is overhauling school board governance with the Putting Student Achievement First Act, reform announced by Education Minister Paul Calandra. The plan would strip Ontario's English language boards of many trustees' powers and introduce new leadership roles. Under the changes, each English language board would appoint a chief executive officer to oversee budgeting and negotiations, and a chief education officer to guide educational policy and curriculum direction. The move is aimed at streamlining governance, improving accountability, and expediting decision-making in a system long criticized for gridlock. The reforms also target Toronto's public school system, with the Toronto District School Board, TDSB, facing reductions in trustee powers, though details of the scope and transition were not immediately disclosed. The legislation marks a high-profile push by the Ford government to modernize school board governance, signaling potential significant changes in how local boards operate, consult, and allocate resources. Budget decisions would shift toward appointed executives, not trustees.